Mama Akwaba, what frame Ajoa searching Mesrel, now I subscribe to my channel. Me on notification bell also for more news.
Yo, Ejaya, me de make say sabaton na yes sign na 8 years NDC buy no. Ghana fo nyi ena me ka say bibia besi na ye o. Se ama Ghana fo hu difference I wo NDC ni NPP ntem.
Obejiedi.
Oma hu anka me kwampo se me so me NDC ni.
O sa.
Enti me NDC ni we be free one better also be free oti region na Volta region obey NPP ni. Who is telling you that? Me NDC for ye no mo na wo ka hwe aye ntie. Wo pa fa second years wo ye na ye den ye NDC. In fact, wanya hwe NDC nye campaign e wo oti region ana Volta region obewini.
No ababa say.
No we are but this time we are saying this so you should know say no mo krampo ya bani e ka we chira you should know say adia bi wo hon enkoyi ya no ahu say enkoyi you know Voltarians and naughty people they are very loyal say ono ne wo ti ho a dia wo beye bia no ofa no obefa no saa nti no eyo enyo no oti ho but ya hu sensisie ne ya sisi ya che Oma who say insisi abamuache because ya we nyina mama in fact they will go and come and not do anything. So the start say wom say krobia mu say road ni ho na ho ma luke kurase pa. Nti ne akwan nyina anye but say ya kwan ye. So what are you trying to tell me? No. You can't tell me say NDC ni ye no mo we are telling you say NDC nye. And when we say NDC nya you have to trust us because ye ni enim yeah, dear. And we are telling you, say this time round, we have to move forward. As I say, omo beti mi aboa ye no. Omo na say mo system mu. Na so obi wa kwan nya no obi ababa ye kwan ma. Why do you think say ne wa nya ma no onu mbo mbe say ababa be. Na no meti yes ma amako mikrom dambai. I promise say na your ba obey bridge mama and me say oh, okay meaning my messages are going very viral me message a medical say sa hono no ye hia no oba ye so you see this time around we will not allow any politician to come and give us cheap politics in order to go and come and do nothing say no competition about Volta region. Do you know say Volta MPs they are now doing campaign ye campaign seriously. Previously, now she be vote but this time, omania break. In fact, say ya more pressure. NPP are more pressure. Say, who do Volta region MPP your political your campaign? Your campaign very serious. This is telling you, say, Sakrayaba.
According to sources, Okujuta Blacqua.
Your campaign serious.
Sure. Baumia call. Not
on Oba
na. Okuja tell say Debbie say man listen me boots here. Assemble Debbie.
First there was no competition, nothing. Oba uye then the uye Volta ni region now now. Uye about fine crap ye better mo. But this time me say Ejaya say omania bra mu ye campaign. Very and that is what we want. In as much say people think see, I now me kind of be say vote for me say she. Mama ncho say vote for nya way NDC nya seat bebre wo voter. Na say a swat crumpa it should be a threat to you. You should know say you didn't do your homework well. If you were able to do a lot for the people, you will not face these challenges. It's because of that.
There were statistics be war K2 North. Getting off 2020 election, NDC candidate, and MP no, onya 28,041 votes. Kofi Jamashi, onya 23,130.
So you see,
enti getting off there. Gab
Missy
Gab na abedemu no esua enti sania impum tu kakra aba honum na kaka ho no
Missy
getting off
they are losing that seat gradually losing me say microphone they say mani atio. Enya say na ya Jimmy, but no, it's because say ya do ni bibia. Ha. Inti no at least obi show so do wa no wa ye bibi kakra mani pa no. But wo no wa nya hwe amani pa kro no na obi a ye ndo no no. Eja ya wo je se wo ye beifo. Obi a wo mpe na asem no ono mbom abai ye ne mama wo be ye de be. So that is the reason why it say Volta ni oti for Abuja NPP so. And it's going to make a very huge difference. Almost NDC no. They are afraid. Almost pa. In fact, say almost me yeah. Let me name so much me campaigns. I never knew. See, NDC can ever do campaign like they are doing in the Volta region. No. Say every day. Akonyaba engaging the people, trying to talk to the people. But say no one can deceive us anymore. Like me, and I make us say me my free. Na me say me NPP bioma. You should know say omo mudi machinyina beko. Me NDC bioma. Omo mudi machinyina beba NPP. No, it's a fact. So this is one thing me. It's not as if say NDC they try a through mantino omo ya de na nya na oti hu sana NPP so ya de na nya we will talk about it. It is say NPP ya de na yes say ya we have to also talk about it. Obi a o ya de ye no as I say what me ka say obi de nya as I say what me ka say obi de ye because na ye den there obi boaw na wo so wa hu a wo kwampo na enyam nyame kwampo mpesa ha nti obi boawa no wo so wa boa ni pa kro no because obi a onya ketu a obema wo no ono na onya kese a obema wo nti se wo de hwe man vote ama mo manya hwe ama mo bete no krompo mo hwe se de o ma boa mo mo hwe akodru na se muko vote. What do you think? Volta region and OT region will change, will be very nice under the watch of NPP. Minimum Dr. Baumia Dianim. Dr. Baumia, everything declares shows that it's possible. And as I say, Omusro, and as Rono, they say Omusro. Because I will share now person won't check in your be a doctor. Ejaya wo de wo hwe say awofo say Ghana population na yanka some 17 million Ghana population na hwe free SHS for 5.7 and our school nti wo de yanka say out of 17 no free SHS for no 5 no wo de yanka say ebinum nya ntimi vote nti yanti 7 no film na yanka say ebinum ye de na ho ya be wo nti yanti 1 film na enka 4 million. These 4 million are going to vote for NPP. No matter what. As a tanking, voting. Including my own family, my own siblings. They are going to vote. On NPP because they've been watching Moba. So this, you see, NPP is winning this election. True or false? Both the NPP is winning. Wow. Because at times when you crumple, I said that case here.